Welcome to Mobile Shorts. Learn it fast, build it right, with the ServiceNow Mobile App. Let's dive into an essential building block of the ServiceNow Mobile App, the launcher screen. This screen acts like your app's home base, helping users quickly find where they need to go. It's all about making navigation simple and fast. Launcher screens are the first thing users see after logging in. They're designed to help you find your way, not to do the detailed tasks. With launchers, you can jump to key screens like lists, records, or charts. You can also search the app globally, trigger quick actions, and see info personalized just for you. You can get to the launcher from the bottom navigation tab or a button on other screens. A typical launcher screen has a few key parts working together. A header, which can be a home or generic-style global search to help find anything fast. Quick actions for frequent tasks, and UI sections like Record Section, Icon Section, or Analytics. Since it's mobile, it's best to keep things minimal and prioritize the most used items near the top or left. Remember, launchers guide you to where the work happens. They're not for doing the work themselves. The launcher screen is all about navigation. It's your starting point, not where work gets done. It pulls together shortcuts to key task screens so you can quickly find the right place to begin. Launcher screens are built for speed, clarity, and simple navigation, not for editing records or entering data. They work alongside other screen types like lists, forms, and request flows. And because they're tailored by role, each user sees the most relevant content and actions right up front. Launcher headers come in two types, home and generic. The home header is personalized with your name and picture, usually on the first launcher screen. Generic headers show static titles like My Work. You can add functional icons too, like your profile, shopping cart, chat, and more. Quick actions pop up in the Quick Action menu on iOS or the plus button on Android. Launcher screens support two types of search: Zing, which is keyword-based, and AI search, which provides smarter, more contextual results. Now let's see how easy it is to configure a launcher screen in ServiceNow. For this demo, I'll be using our internal mobile app, built specifically for demonstration purposes. Let's get started. First, go to your instance. From the All menu, open the Mobile App Builder. Next, select the scope you're working in. In ServiceNow, an application scope defines the boundaries of your app. It acts like a private container, keeping your app's data and components separate from other applications. This helps avoid conflicts and ensures changes are made only where you intend. For this demo, we'll use the Now Mobile scope, since that's where our app lives. Let's go ahead and enter it. When configuring screens in Mobile App Builder, there are a few different ways to create a launcher screen. Option 1 is through the Screens tab. Here, you can click New and choose Launcher from the list of screen types. Option 2 is by navigating to all mobile records, opening the SysSG Applet Launcher table, and creating a new record there. Option 3 is to go through Mobile App Configs. From there, choose your app config and use dot walking to directly place a launcher screen where you want. In this demo, we'll use the first method, creating the launcher screen from the Screens tab. Let's go ahead and tap New and select Launcher. We'll name it Home New, since we're creating a new home screen for the app. Now let's add some functionality to the launcher screen. First, we'll add a header function, in this case, the user profile. We'll name it User Profile, choose an existing icon, and then link it to the existing profile function. This way, when users tap their profile image, they'll be taken straight to their personal profile screen. Next, we'll enable search. We'll use an existing search configuration so users can quickly find what they need, right from the launcher screen. Then we'll add a few UI sections to round out the experience. Let's go ahead and use existing section icons, like content and quick links, to keep things simple and familiar. Once everything's set, just click Save. Now let's make sure this new launcher is part of the mobile app navigation. To do that, go to Mobile App Configs and open the config for Now Mobile, since that's the one we're using in this example. Inside the config, head to Now Mobile Navigation and tap New to add a new tab. We'll name it Home New and link it to the launcher screen we just created. And that's it. We've successfully built and configured a new home launcher with a personalized header, search, quick access, and navigation, all in just a few easy steps. Here are helpful resources to get the most out of the ServiceNow mobile platform. Scan the QR codes to learn more and explore what's possible.